Welcome back. Today marks the International Day of Medical Physics, celebrated globally each year on November 7th to recognize the vital role of medical physicists in modern healthcare. This year's theme, Empowering Patient Care Through Medical Physics, shines a light on how these specialists help ensure safe and effective use of radiation in cancer treatment and medical imaging. We're joined by medical physicist Festus Laban to discuss the significance of this day and how medical physics is improving patient care nationwide. Festus, good evening and welcome.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you? Nina?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. And to start off with, Festus, just like what exactly is International Day of Medical Physics about, and why is it important for Namibia to recognize this day?
Oh, well, thank you, Nina, for the question. So the International Day of Medical Physics is a global observance that recognizes the crucial role the medical physicist plays in advancing healthcare. That's through the safe and effective use of radiation and as well medical technology. For Namibia, I would say this day is significant as it highlights the importance of building local expertise to ensure the highest standard of patient care and safety.
Well, as I mentioned, this year's theme is empowering patient care through medical physics. So how does the work of medical physicists, directly translate into better and safer care for patients?
All right, Nina, thank you. So as a medical physicist, speaking for myself and others as well, medical physicists directly contribute to the safer and more effective patient care by ensuring that diagnostic and treatment equipment such as X-rays and radiotherapy machines operate accurately and safely. So their work is mainly to ensure patients receive the intended dose. That's like for radiotherapy, for us that works in radiotherapy, and also while minimizing the unnecessary exposure to other organs. Okay, that's leading to better clinical outcomes. So that's what basically we do.
The Association for Medical Physics in Namibia has been active, in promoting radiation safety as well as training. So what progress has been made so far, and also talk to us possibly about the challenges that still remain?
Okay, thank you, Nina, again. As a member of the association and also part of the ESCO committee, so the Association of Medical Physicists in Namibia has made a commendable progress. That's in promoting radiation safety. We also managed to amend the regulations that governs the registration of our professionals, medical physicists. That's to align them with the international standards. So, and also we have been doing awareness across the health sector, just to make people aware what medical physics is and all that. However, challenges still persist. That includes the shortage of qualified professionals and as well as the limitation to clinical training. So, but plans are underway to make sure all these are met with time because it's just a start. So with time, we'll round up everything.
We've been making use of the term radiation safety quite a few terms now. So just in layman's terms and for the sake of our viewers, unpack what radiation safety actually means.
Okay. Radiation safety, when we talk of radiation, we think it's something, people think it's something that you can see. But in radiation, in treatment of cancer and diagnostic as well, radiation safety is to make sure that the patient is safe during treatment or during imaging. So there are protocols that we use to ensure that the patient is safe and also the operator, that's the healthcare worker, is safe. So when we talk about radiation safety, is how we minimize the exposure to the public, member of the public, patient, and also to the staff member. That's mainly radiation safety.
Festus, medical physics is a very highly specialized, field. So are there enough trained professionals within Namibia, and what steps are being, taken to build capacity?
Okay. Namibia currently faces a challenge of clinically trained medical physicists. I would say there are only a few. We are quite a few. We are not more than 4 to say. So that's the medical physicists that are practicing in the health sector now. So to address this initiative, so I would say that I can say that initiatives are underway to strengthen academic partnerships and also to provide scholarships and develop local training. So there are programs that are put in place, such as support. We get support from International Atomic Energy. So we, through our Ministry of Health as well, we managed to send some professionals for training to specialize and also to advance building capacity in Namibia.
In this era of technological advancement and of artificial intelligence, how are medical physicists adapting to these innovations to improve either cancer treatment or diagnosis?
Okay, so thank you so much. We talk about AI every time you hear our Minister of Health talking about AI. So with everything now increasing and advancement in healthcare technology, including artificial intelligence and precision imaging, medical physicists are as well as continually adapting to the steps. So you would have a technique today that we use for treatment of, let me say, a certain cancer. It will not be the same come next year. So advancements aligns as well as with the progress of how we are doing in the field. So AI, we are always updating our protocols just to align with the current progress in the industry.
Fantastic. Well, finally, Festus, as we celebrate this day, what message do you have perhaps, for young Namibians who might be inspired to pursue a career in medical physics or even, the broader sciences?
All right, thank you, Nina. So I'm as well young. I would say I don't want to mention my age, but to the youth of Namibia, I would say this: medical physics is a field where science and compassion meet. It offers an opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives. That's patients. So I encourage young Namibians to explore careers in medical physics and as well to the broader sciences. So your curiosity and dedication can help shape the future healthcare in our country. That's all I can say.
Festus Laban, thank you so much for your time and thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you so much, Nina. It was nice meeting you.
Well, that was medical physicist Festus Laban speaking to us today on International Day of Medical Physics. We'll be